Hey there, I have a question for you. Do you not enjoy Shavasana so much, which is the pose that you have at the end of the practice that is used for restore and integrate the practice that you just had? If this is your case, maybe it's because you have a really big arch into the lumbar spine, and therefore when you lay down, it's not so comfortable. In order for your lower back to have space, it will pull some space into the front side of the body, and it doesn't feel so comfortable for you to relax into it. In this video, I will show you how you can assist your Shavasana, support your Shavasana, in order to even gain benefits by lengthening the lower back a little bit and allowing the shoulder blades to drop and fully restore and integrate in your Shavasana pose. So take a moment, have a look, and enjoy. So now let's explore how we can move into your supported Shavasana pose. And you want to go into this pose if you've been doing a lot of forward folds or if you have a very sore lower back. This will create a bit of relief in that area because we're supporting the knee and therefore being less extending the back of our legs. So you will use a bolster, which is the most comfortable thing to use when we go into our supported Shavasana pose. You could also use a blanket if you don't have a bolster. And my recommendation is just to have the bolster a little bit higher than just behind your knees, but you'll feel when you come into the pose. When you're ready, slowly allow for the rest of the spine to roll down. Yeah, you can even come down a little bit. I'll move down for you. Good. And when you're ready, just extend your legs out. Good. Inner thigh looking up. Let me up, move down. There we go. Inner thigh looking up and hips being relaxed. Make sure to have space in between your shoulder blades, palm of the hands looking up, and just take a time to restore. Feel the space being created in the lower back as you breathe in, and use the exhale to free this space of your body by letting go of any tension, restriction, or pain. Stay in this pose for as long as you want, and when you're ready, you could simply draw the knees to the chest and roll to one of your sides. Nice. Again, this pose is very appreciated if we have lumbar spine tension, but also if you've been doing a lot of forward folds, well, that's a nice way to counterbalance for your ending pose. So take the time, explore, and enjoy.